So at Hive, all the sessions were really practical. We used to directly talk to the founders and solve case studies with them. Because yeah, हाँ, काफ़ी दोस्त बने हैं, अच्छे दोस्त बने हैं. So I will start with Tina, of course, our little pataka of the. We all have experienced that. So, but she's an amazing personality. Then Gaurav is there, Prince is there. Prince and Vinay, I have worked very closely with them for the capstone one. So amazing people. So why I joined Hive was because this was unconventional. So that was the first attraction point, and yeah, and it was as per my expectations. The mentors are amazing. They are as young as me and as free-spirited, and obviously they are always there to support you in whatever thing you are going through, whether it's personal, whether it's something education related, job related, and whatever. So it was a great journey with them, and I mean, they don't think normally like this has to be this way. There are no I mean boundaries, right? There are no setups कि अगर आपको वो बोल दे कि नहीं हम आपको बता रहे, this is the assignment, you have to do it like this. So they give us the space to to give our feedback and to do things our way as well. So their support was amazing in that way. So my dream is to build something from scratch and work with a founding team. So at Hive, all the sessions were really practical. We used to directly talk to the founders and solve case studies with them. And we would have such long sessions during these sessions as well, which went late at night also. So through my college, I was getting a really average placement for around 3 to 4 LPA, which is I think in today's times, which is a very less number in terms of whatever education we have had in the last 14-15 years. So currently I'm striving for a CTC of up to 20 to 25 LPA, and I'm working really hard towards that. So I love talking to people. I love getting to know what problems they are facing, the problem areas, and getting into the depth of that. And I love solving that. And I love giving them how we can. I mean, it's like a puzzle, you know. I love finding the missing piece of that puzzle.